Hello everyone, welcome to Host IT Smart Video Tutorial. Today, we'll see how to access your Linux server using PuTTY SSH Terminal. Once you've created a new Linux cloud server or purchased a new Linux VPS server, you can connect it using PuTTY. PuTTY is a free implementation of SSH and Telnet for computers running Microsoft Windows. To install PuTTY on your Windows computers, go to this URL and download it. We've also added the link in the description box. After the installation is completed, open the PuTTY SSH client and enter your server's IP address and SSH port. By default, the SSH port is 22. Here we are using a custom SSH port 2277 for improved security. Now click on Open to proceed further. The first time you connect, you will get a PuTTY security alert regarding the server's host key. Accept the terms by clicking the button. The message "Login as" will appear and you'll be prompted to enter your SSH username. After you've inserted your username, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Now enter your SSH password. For security reasons, the password you typed will not appear on the screen. Once the password is inserted, press the Enter key once again on your keyboard. When the remote server's command prompt appears, you have successfully connected to the server. The initial command line prompt looks like username@example.com with the hash prompt. Please keep in mind that this is a password authentication method. You can alternatively use key-based authentication to log into your Linux server with SSH private key. Key-based authentication is a safer approach to access your server. So if your server uses a key-based authentication method, then on the left navigation pane, click on Connection, then Data, and set the auto login username to the required username, such as root or CentOS. Now again, under Connection, select SSH, Auth, and then click on Browse below Private Key File for authentication. Navigate to the location where you have saved your SSH private key file. Select the file and click Open. The file path for the SSH private key file now appears in the Private Key File for Authentication field. On the left navigation pane, select option Session and then click Save under the section called Load, Save, or Delete a stored session. Now click Open to begin your session with the server. When the remote server's command prompt appears, you've successfully connected to the server. You can now run commands. For example, to see a listing of the current directory, type ls command and then press Enter. When you're finished, type exit and then press Enter to close the SSH connection. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and share this video. For more information or support, please email us at info@hostitsmart.com. Thank you.